Welcome back to Beyond the Home, where I dissect the construction of your house from the ground up. Today we're in the second phase of construction, the rough framing. The rough framing consists of a floor, wall, and roof system, which is also known as the skeleton of your home, and is usually built with 2x6 beams according to the Ontario Building Code. After the framing is done, as you can see, the house is wrapped with a house wrap or a protective coating which allows vapor to release and prevent mold and mildew. Moving back inside, if you were thinking about having a home built, it's going to cost about $7 to $18 per square foot, depending on the size and the complexity of the project. The total time frame, it'll take about 1 to 2 months end to end, weather permitting. That's about it for today's episode of Beyond the Home. Look out for next week's episode where we're going to talk about the roughing, plumbing, and HVAC systems. See you again, folks.